Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha kesintho dieng jagatayo ulalit jengo bat ajing yarap iki arngut ki Rangba ki badana pedeng ka jingsha sumar ha negrims na ka jingsha asiat ki pulet Asam ha ka arpu terik nai weng ha kesnong mukro ha ka distrik West Jantia Hills. Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulalit ajing yarap ka song tengka na ka Chief Minister's Special Grant bat naladi shimet ikini ki arngut ki Rangba ki bakentop ya uba Elias Samayang arpu prasnam kerta bat uba Shani Nartiang saupu prasnam kerta. Konrad Kongkal Sangma oleh keren bat kini ki balam mensau ha ka ba ulapan pau bakani ka de ki jingarap ka bau aiknang bakani yo ban penankam bat ka bai sumar baro an sasio do ka sarkar jela bat ulakit bok ru ikini ki Rangba bakini yo ano ka met ka bakot ubakya bat ulai kublai ru iki doktor bat kinos ki balai ka jing sumar ka bapaka ya kini ki balam mensau. Kini ki arngut ki balam mensau na ka jing de kuli kiladan mentala khatlai singi ha hospital. Ban mentah kelas sedang ban yo obor bat hakini ki khendiat singi ki banwan kin se yo ban mino na hospital ban it pha chala yeng. Hakini ki jengo Menteri Rangba ikini ki balam mensau laidon lang director ke Negrims Professor Dr. Nalin Mehta ki doktor kinos bat kiwe.
And out of them, two of them were quite seriously injured, and in the beginning it was quite complicated, but with the help and the support and the work of and the care, most importantly, of all the doctors here at Negrims and the entire team at Negrims, I'm happy to see that they are out of danger and they have stabilized, but yet they are not fully recovered. There's still a bit more, some more procedures that are left that needs to be done. They're just waiting for them to settle down. But my purpose of visiting here was to really to meet the family members, to see the condition of those who were injured, and also to provide some financial support for my Chief Minister's special grant, and also for my personal side. And as I had announced earlier, the entire expenditure of theirs for the entire treatment will be borne by the state government. So I had come here to communicate to them about the support that we are giving from our side, and to let them know that we are here with them in this difficult time that they're facing.
Ha kesengi balang jagatayo Menteri ke Sarkar Jela uba Asan Borsulai baru Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Maury kilalet caka GNRC Hospital ha Guwahati banlet pejo Inspektor ke Customs bat Central Excise u Alok Kumar ubla syak thombor ha kiriu syim kabu ha ke arp sautrik unai wiang arhajar arpuar ha kenong ba Shelong. Kini kinong ilam ke BJP kilakit bok ket riang yau nu Inspektor ubran pedeng ke jing syak sumar bat kila ajing yarap yu de kepisah kenang bonyok bansiau ya ke jing lut ha ke hospital. Ukumar ulong baudan ha kenong ba Shelong banle ke training bat ha kamiet jong ke arp sautrik unai wiang ulami banit tet dawai henrei bon kidukan kilakang. Namar badan kene ke rali hajan ke Civil Hospital ha Shelong. Ulong bahaba ulayo ke dawai kumta ulami banit paino henrei onda poy ke surok hajan IGP kidan ki kena ke bedi secret ke belat hombori u ha ke jing kenja jong ke lenti. Ki doktor ki basumari u kliat ho bau kumar ulas sedang bankot. Bad ulas syasur na ke benta jong ke klik ban menta lapan kan ria no yu na ke ICU sya ke private ward.
फिर वहाँ 25-30 लड़कों की एक टोलियाँ थी, उन लोगों ने डेडली अटैक कर दिया हमारे ऊपर. आप देख सकते हैं. जी सर जी.
कुछ लोग बाहर आइए.
कोई बात नहीं. आपको हम लोग दुआ कर रहा है, अब अच्छा होगा.